I got a J, I can like this bitch.
Rise and shine, ladies and dusty men. It is moving day. I cannot believe this day has come. It's crazy. Anyway, I am pulling back up to the apartment. I just went to get Shane and I some coffee. So let's go in and see the big mess that we have made and the progress we have not made. Okay. I'm back. So as y'all can see, it looks crazy in here. The movers are gonna be here in like an hour and a half. And yeah. Him packing my stuff for me. Okay, so I'm gonna drink this coffee and then get to work because I gotta hurry up.
Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more roll around you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
Okay, y'all, excuse my shaky hand. I left my gimbal at the house or at the other apartment. Shane is there now. The movers are there, so they're starting to load the truck. I'm on my way to the new place to check in, get the keys or fob. There's not even keys. We'll talk about that, but do a walkthrough. I'm so excited. I'm actually pulling up right now, so I'll show y'all everything in a minute. Okay, y'all, we are inside the apartment. I am very overstimulated, overwhelmed with joy, and I know I look crazy, but that's okay. I'm gonna flip the camera so we can do a quick walkthrough together. Okay, so front door where you walk in. Let's go to the left. We're gonna go in the bathroom. Love the light mirror, the finish on the counters, and then look at the shower, y'all. By the way, this is real stone. Crazy. Love. Sexy tub, very big. Okay, let's keep moving. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So beautiful. I love like the medium dark wood. My favorite part about this kitchen is, again, the finish. The countertops, the backsplash, and then a gas stove. I miss a gas stove so much. So beautiful. The lights under, very necessary. And then when you pan over, it's an open layout. So living room, that is a balcony, but I'm not gonna go out there because then that'll give away my location, and you know, we don't do that. So that's that. And then coming this way, we have the washer and dryer. Boom, boom. And then this way is our bedroom. And then our walk-in closet. Yeah. So that's the quick walkthrough, y'all. I am about to just take this in for a minute because I'm still just like, oh my God. Gonna do that, say a prayer in here. Maybe I'll actually wait for Shane. I'll wait to collect him and the movers, and then we'll bless the space and start getting settled in. So, all right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, pit stop. I'm at Starbucks because I need a little snack. The baked apple croissants, I'm so happy they're back. Me and Shane love them so much. So I got 3 of those, 2 orders of their egg bites. Why that shit is $25? The times, I don't know, but I'ma eat it. And I'm gonna eat a whole meal after all this. I don't know what we're gonna do, if we're gonna cook. Probably eat. Oh, thank you so much. You too. Okay, now we really headed home. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. Shane always be mad because y'all, I cannot wait to get home to eat my food. I need to eat it while I'm in the car. I need to eat it while I'm driving. And oh, there go the popos. Okay, yeah, I'm fat as fuck. I had to pull over real quick because I need to focus. I need to eat this real quick. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm greedy as fuck. I don't care. I'm greedy. Oh my God. Okay. I'm back. He's been holding it down. We're taking down the infamous shower lights that Shane grew to love way more than me. And will they make it to the next apartment? TBD. Probably not, but we'll see. Okay, removing this light. Removing this light is taking much longer than I expected. I think I stripped the nail and now it's just stopped spinning. So, yeah. I'm gonna miss this closet for sure. Wah. All right, we're pretty much done. How you feeling?
I feel real good.
He been watching football, y'all. He ain't even working. You have to say for yourself. Do you even hear me?
What'd you say? What?
He don't hear nothing anyway. The apartment is basically empty. And I'm a bit emotional. Shane's still watching football. But I'm like, oh my God. My second apartment in LA. Surviving LA. I'm gonna miss it. Think I can do a carpet? Alright. The moving truck is here, so we're gonna let them into the service dock and get started moving into the new place. Okay, movers are done. We're gonna go and make one last final trip to the previous space, grab our last few things that we wanted to bring ourselves, and then that will conclude this apartment vlog or moving vlog.
I'm a rolling stone. I'm too wild for you to own. In a whip that's meant to speed. If I hurt you, would you leave?